Welcome to Intro to Parkour and Beyond. I'm Melissa Chandler. So just what is parkour? Parkour is all about the journey with your dog while building and enhancing your relationship and exploring your environment. We're going to start with 4 feet on and 2 feet on, and most of our dogs probably already do both of these. Now we can shape or lure and get it on cue. And you also can see where he is emotionally on this, of how quickly he comes back. And you see he is moving back to that obstacle really fast. So he's okay with this. He's enjoying it. He's going to go under. 4 feet on. Again, he doesn't have to sit. Can, but not necessary. And then he's going to do a balance.